Find the square root of the following numbers by prime factor. Welcome to Home of Math. This video we are going to solve this factor by prime factorization. But before find out the result, we have to know something. Here is some note. Let's start. At first, the given number is to be resolved into its prime factor. It means, suppose here is 3, 1, 3, 6. We have to find out the prime factor. So how? This is a even number. Therefore, the smallest prime number is 2. So we have to divide 3136 by 2. So we can do like this: 3136. Once we divide by 2, 3136 divide by 2, it will be 1568. It also a even number. Again we can divide by 2. So here is 784. Again we can divide by 2, right? So it will be 392. Again we can divide by 2. So here is 196. This is also even number, so we can divide by 2. Here is 98, right? 98, once we divide by 2, it will be what? 49. Okay, 49 we can divide by 7. So 7 is a prime number. Now look, so our first thing, at first the given number is to be resolved into its prime factor. Done. Second, each pair of the same factors has to be written together side by side. Therefore, here is two type number. One is 2 and another one is 7. And we have two. Each pair of the same factor has to be written together. So, here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6, 2. And finally, times 7 and 7. Okay, so second option also done. One factor is to be written from each pair of the factors of same type. So this one is one pair, we count 1. Here is one pair, we count 1. It means here is 2 and 2, we get only 2. So each pair we have to count 1, and here is 2, 7, we will get 1, 7. Now the successive multiplication of the written factor will be the required roots. Therefore, look, so we can write, so 3136 square root is what? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and here is 7. This multiplication will be the result of a square root, for which 3136. So 2 times 2 is a 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 7 is a 56, and our result is 56. Okay, so by prime factor we are doing square root. So number 1, this one is considered number 1, done. Now number 2, 1521. 1521. Okay, so 1521 is the odd number. So first we have to try, is it possible or not to divide by 3, because 3 also a what? Prime number. So 15 we can do here 1521. We can divide by what? 3. 1521 divide by 3. So result is 507, right? This is also even number, odd number, so we can divide by 3. So it will become 169. So 169 we can divide by 13, because 13 square is a 169. So 13. So by prime factorization we will write similar type of number Okay, 3 times 3 times 13 times 13. Now we will count one number from each pair. So here is 3 and here is 13. So we can write, so 1521 square root is what? So 3 times 13. So this is a 39. So it means 1521, once we square root, it will become 39. Okay. So question 2 done. Now third one is 11,025. So we can write here 11,025. Okay. So this one is a what? This one is a odd number. So we can write 11025. We can divide this one by 3 because 5 2 is a 7, 7 1 is a 8, 8 1 is a 9. So once we can divide 9 by 3, so whole number we can divide by 3. This is a simple formula. So we can divide by 3. So 11025 divide 3. So it will be 3675, right? Now can we divide by 3? Yes, we can divide by 3 because 3 6 9, 9 and 7 what? 16, 16 plus 5 is a 21. 21 we can divide by 3. So 3675 we also can divide by 3. So divide by 3. So it's a 1 2 2 5. Now we will divide this one by 5. So this is a 245. Again we can divide by 5. So it will be 49. So 49 we can divide by 7. So we can write 3 times 3 times 5 times 5 times 7 times 7. Okay. So this is a pair, this is a pair, this is a pair. From these 3 to 3, this 3 and 3 we can take 3, from here 5, from here 7. So 11025 square root is what? 3 times 5 times 7. So once we multiply 3 times 5 times 7, it will be what? It will be 3 times 5 times 7, 105. And this is our what? This is the 11025. Once we make a square root, the result will be 105. So this one done. And final one, 1024. So 1024, right? 1024. So what can we do? Equals to, look here we can write this one 1024. So we can divide this one by 2. This one become 512, then 2 256, then 2 128, then 2 64, then 2 what will come 32, then 2 16, then 2 8, right? Then 2 4 2 2, right? So here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So we can write here 10 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So we can make pair, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. From here 2 2 2 2 and 2. So 1024 square root is what? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So 2 times 2 4, 8, 16, 32, and 32 is our answer. So 1024 square root, the result is 32. So thank you very much. This is very important part for math, especially once we are doing number system. That time we can find out square root by two ways. One way is prime factor and another one is division method. Okay, so next video we will discuss about division method. This video we can stop now. Thank you very much. If you think this video is helping you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.